Every company has special needs when it comes to a CRM. That's why Descara CRM lets you customize things as you go along. Today we're going to take you through customizing a column in leads and then having that custom column follow you when you convert the lead to an account. We'll start in leads. In here, what you'll want to do is click on Manage Columns. We're going to add custom column from here. This column header, let's say you're at an insurance company. So we're going to go age range. The maximum length will be 20 characters, because that should certainly be plenty. The field type will be a drop-down, since it's going to be a range. The range that we'll put in here, I've already added in, so we'll just go ahead and paste that in. You'll notice that there's an NA column, for not applicable. We put that in there because there are times when you're adding a custom column and you already have information or data that's already in the system, or perhaps this is a not applicable field in some cases. We'll go ahead and select is mandatory, and as a default value, we'll select NA. That way you can select a different drop-down if needed. We'll click on OK, and we'll add the new column from here. The new column has now been added. If we close our Leads tab and go back into Leads, you'll see that at the end we have a column now called Age Range. What we'll do now is we'll go into Accounts, since that's where we want this custom column to be seen next. You'll notice it's not there currently. When we hit Manage Columns and Add Custom Column, again, the same box pops up. We'll call the column header Age Range. The maximum length will be 20 characters. The field type is going to be a drop-down. Now, you can call this a text field if it's something that's not going to change, but since people's ages change, we'll go ahead and create the drop-down here as well. Again, we'll paste this information in. We'll click Is Mandatory. And we'll select NA as the default value. We'll click on Add New Column from here. And again, the new column has been successfully created. When we close our Accounts tab and go back into it, you'll notice at the end we have our new Age Range column. So from here, let's go into the master configuration to make sure that those two fields are mapped correctly when we add them in. You'll notice here that Age Range is in Leads and Accounts. So in Account Mappings, on this side, we'll grab Age Range from up here, from Mapped Lead Headers, and then Mapped Account Headers, we'll grab Age Range as well. That way those two will be mapped automatically. We'll click on Submit, and the mapping has been saved successfully. We'll close out of a master configuration. Now we'll take you into Leads, and we'll convert one of these leads to an account. We'll use Mark Zanfer for our example. We'll come over to the right here, and actually what we'll do is we'll grab our age range and we'll simply move it over to the left here a little further to make it easier to see from the front page. We'll drop down age range and we'll select 36 to 45. That has now been saved in the system. Now, when we click again on Mark Zanfer, we'll hit Convert up here. We'll convert him to an account. We'll call him Mark Zanfer Test Account. It's a good example. And we'll click on Save. From here, it will take it out of our leads and convert it into an account. You'll notice he's no longer listed here. From here, we'll close our Leads tab and we'll go into Accounts. At this time, you'll find the Mark Zanfer Test Account. And if we come over to the right here, the age range of 36 to 45 has in fact followed us all the way into Accounts. And that's how you create custom columns and make sure that they follow you into accounts, contacts, or opportunities, anywhere that you want to convert that lead into.